$4,065, $5,600, $7,600. Guys, use my personal promo code CASH50 and get additional 50% to initial deposits of at least $150. Just imagine you can invest $1,000 and get $1,500 above your deposit. Do this right now and let's fuck this market. Welcome back, guys, to my cool YouTube channel. And for those who don't know me, my name is Michael Trader, and I am a professional trader in the field of forex and binary options. So today, as always, my dear friends, I would like to tell you how to make millions on this market. And if you want to know how to do this, let's watch this video. First of all, I would like to set several indicators that I'm going to use today. Let's start with moving average. Now I'm setting it. It's done, and one more moving average. I have already set it. Let's add also Williams. It's done, and yep, that's all. So we have two moving averages together with William indicator. Okay, now we have opened first buy position. We have invested our $25 here. You can clearly see that we are under both moving averages, and we have touched a strong level of resistance, after which I'm sure that we're highly likely to receive a very good pullback reaction, and that's why I have opened buy position here and wasting my $25. By the way, guys, as always, I'm using only short time period of just 1 minute, and I'm investing my whole deposit in each trade so that we can save our time and enlarge our deposit as fast as possible. Okay, guys, so now let's just relax and see what markets will show us. And you can clearly see that it's showing a very good market reaction because we have a very big green candle, just like my big dick. Okay, my friend, just look at this. It's growing as fuck. Everything's going quite well because we have just shown the bullish consumption of the previous big bearish candle. So when time will stop? Okay, yep, it stopped. We have our first profit around $49, and now we are ready to continue. Okay, I have changed my investment to $45, and I've opened sell position. Honestly, not the best entry point because we had squeeze, but all in all, we have opened our trade in correct direction. Fine. As you can see, we're below both moving averages and price is in the sell zone. That means that we are highly likely to continue dropping right now. We have broken through the support line zone and price is going to drop much more. So that's it. $45 I invested, and all we need right now is just wait and see. Okay, so that's it. We got our cash from this trade and we have around $86. That's fine. Let's change our investment to $86, and I have opened buy position because you can clearly see that we are above the first moving average, and this significates that we are in the buy zone and we have enough capacity for the current growth, and we are already showing this right now by this good green bullish candle. What's more, we have shown a very good pullback reaction from the support line zone, which you can clearly see on the chart. What's more, now we're going to break through the second moving average line, and this will give us double confirmation that we will highly likely continue growing, and we have just broken through the second moving average, and now we can be absolutely sure that we will be in profit. And we are in profit. We have around $165 on the account. This is very good, but still we need to do much and much more. However, for the start, this is quite enough. All in all, this is not $25 which we had at the very beginning of this video. And choose the next currency pair. This will be USD BRL. We have changed our investment to $165, and I have opened one more buy position. As you can see, according to the Williams, price is oversold, and now we will highly likely receive the pullback reaction from this resistance line zone because price needs to cool down because it's really oversold, and all we need right now is to at least show the short-term upgoing correction, and you can clearly see that we have already shown the bullish consumption of the previous bearish candle, and together with this we have broken through the first moving average, and price is continue growing, and I think it will grow at least towards the second moving average. Now sellers are going to show the bearish consumption. However, we still haven't done this, and yep, they failed to do this. We are in profits and prices continue growing, so everything is going according to my plan. This trade is closed with profits. We have around $319. This is very good. This is really nice. I'm sure we will continue pumping our deposit as fuck right now. Okay, so we have changed our investment to $319. We are trading EUR/CAD right now. According to the current situation, we have opened buy position, investing our whole deposit right now. You can clearly see that we are above the two moving averages, and for us that means that we are in the buy zone, and this is a very strong signal for us to buy this asset. And we did it. So now all we need is to show the new local high, and our next target is the next resistance level at the top of this chart. And you can clearly see that we're now is going to hit it. Honestly speaking, we have already hit this resistance level zone, and we have received the first pullback reaction from it, and now it's the second attempt. And we're going to break through it, and yep, we have done this. We have shown the new local high. The level is broken, and we got our profit around $612 on the account. That's nice. By the way, my friends, while I'm trading and earning money, you can do the same shit together with me. All you need right now is to open description to this video, find a wonderful link for my private TG, and subscribe to it. Here you'll find everything that you need to become a professional trader. First of all, daily analytics, daily trading signals, and the educational materials. And the most important thing, if you write me a private message and tell me, Michael, I want to become VIP, I will automatically add you to my private VIP channel, in which you will get access to the same kind of online trading sessions, and you will be able to start trading and earning together with me online each day at the scheduled time. So all you need is just to subscribe to my private TG for free and get your access to my VIP channel and your daily cash. Do this right now, link in the description. Fine, guys. While I was talking, I have opened one more position. This is sell position. As you can see, we're showing a very good down-going movement. We have broken through both moving averages, the first one and the second one, and we have received a very good confirmation for the sell position. We're now in the strong sell zone. So that's why I have opened this sell position in the continuation of the current strong drop. And we're in profits. We have around $1,120 on our account. This is quite good deposit, and this is enough to make good big stakes and get good big cash. So now, my friends, I'm going to choose the next currency pair for today's trading session. This is USD BRL. As you can see, price now is going to break through. I'm sure it will do this. Break through the current resistance level. The first and the second attempt were unsuccessful, and we started showing a short-term upgoing correction. Now it's already ended, and price is going to finally retest this resistance level for this support level for the third time and break through the support level. I'm sure it will do this because we have already gathered enough of liquidity from this consolidation zone and from this correction, and now price has shown the new local low. Just look at this. Once again, I'm absolutely right. We have broken through this support line zone because we have shown a quite good upgoing correction. We have gathered enough of liquidity, and sellers now have enough power to break through it, and we did it, and we got our cash. We have around $2,162 on the account. To be honest, around $2,200, and this is very good, my friends. We are ready to continue pumping our deposit. We are ready to do this. Here we're touching the strong level of resistance. We are showing the candle formation, which is called double hike or double peak. What does it mean? Double peak or double high is giving us information that will highly likely drop right now. Yes. So it looks like horns of an animal, of a bull, for example, like horns of a bull. And if you see this formation, then we will highly likely drop right now, and we will do this significantly. So that's why I have opened sell position, investing my whole deposit around 2,160 bucks. Around 2,160 bucks, and we have a very nice, perfect entry point. And yep, we got our cash around $4,065 in my account, 4,065 bucks. Oh my god, I love my work. Really, I love binary options. I really love trading because I can just spend around 10 minutes and turn my $25 into 4,065 bucks. That's so fucking crazy, guys. Okay, now let's continue. Let's continue trading. And I have opened one more buy position, investing 2,000 bucks. And I did it because we have broken through 2 moving averages. And by that action, we have shown that we are ready to continue growing. Now we are in the buy zone, and price will highly likely make the new local high of the chart, and this will give us additional confirmation that we are in the new wave of the upgoing trend. And yep, we are quite close to make this new local high. All in all, we are in a profit right now, but I want to see this local high to be sure that I was right. Yep, guys, we're in profits. Everything is going really well. Everything is going really nice. We have around $5,600 or even $800 on the account. One more trade. I have opened sell position here, investing one more time $2,000, because as you can see, first of all, the previous candle was the bearish consumption of the previous 2 bullish candles. Moreover, by previous bearish candle, we have broken through the first moving average, and now we're highly likely to break through the second one, and at least we will show the short-term downgoing correction. Maybe right now price wants to make the retest of the current resistance level. However, I'm not sure it will do this. I'm sure that we will drop right now without making the retest of this resistance level, and we have already shown one more time the bearish consumption of the previous bullish candle, and we can tell that previous bullish candle was just a short-term upgoing correction after a very strong drop. And we are in profit, my friends. We have around 6,000 and around 7,600 bucks. So just look at this shit. We turned our $25 into 7,600 bucks just within 15 minutes. 15 minutes, and we got $7,600, and this is so fucking big sum that for you maybe it can be just your yearly salary or even 2 years salary. I don't know where are you from, but you understand me, I think. So if you want to get this money daily, fucking daily, you can do this even if you have just $25, and all you need for this is just open description for this video right now and use link in order to subscribe to my private TG. Do this right now and be with me. Thank you for your attention. I wish you a nice and profitable day. See you all, and bye bye.